Okay guys, welcome back to question 2. Question 2, it says here it was a, I think this was number pattern. I think it was a number pattern question, and then we're gonna also continue do question 3 up until question 6. So please stick around and watch this video until the end so that you can see the link to question 3. All right, it says that Jamie bought a small business for 250,000. Okay, for 250,000. The business generated 1,000 in the first month. So when you start the business, generated 1,000 days, the 1,000, and then generated a monthly income of 3,000 thereof. Okay, thereafter or thereof. Okay, so after that, it means now it generated 3,000 thereof. 3,000 thereof. Okay, each month the money is deposited directly into an account so that his savings grow every time. No interest is added. Oh, this bank. Okay, they don't add any interest, so it makes sure that his money grew by 3,000. So it means his money grew by 3,000 monthly. Keyword monthly. So each and every month from the first month where he generated 1,000, it was growing by 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. Okay, question number 1, 2.1, it says they complete the table below. So they've already told us from here it's gaining 3,000. And then so if you gain 3,000 from here, the following month you gain 3,000. So it means here you're gonna have 4,000. 3,000 plus 1,000 is going to give us 4,000. And then they said after that again, the month after, it gain another 3,000, right? So therefore it means now it's going to be 4,000 plus 3,000 is going to give us 7,000 here. And then also again it gain another 3,000. So which means 7 plus 3,000 is going to give us 10,000. All right, so therefore it means A and B is 4,000 and 4,000, and also is 4,000 plus 4,000 and 7,000 there. All right, so that's how you will deal with this one, guys. Just a straightforward, because they already told us each and every month from the first month is only 3,000, then the next month is gonna be 3,000 plus 1,000. It keeps on gaining 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000 until the fourth month here. All right, so now they said, okay, question number 2.2, it said how much money will there be in Jamie's account after n month? Oh, so this is a number pattern. So this is a pattern. Okay, so now they're asking us 2.2, guys, how much money will be there in the account? So 2.2, right, 2.2, how much money will be in the account? Remember, so this is a linear pattern because there's a difference of 3,000, 3,000. Even if I can put them here, the first one is 1,000, then the second one is 4,000, then you have got 7,000, then you have got 10,000. Okay, so you know, guys, that if this is a common difference, you know what, how the common difference work, you know the formula as well. So this is how you would deal with this one, guys. So you know that Tn is equal to Bn plus C, right, where B is what is the common difference. Okay, this is the common difference between the terms. So now let's see, 10 minus 7 is going to give us 3,000, and then therefore 7,000 minus 4,000, 3,000, and then similarly with this one, 1,000 times that is going to give us what, 3,000 here in between. Okay, so we already know what is our common difference there, so we're just gonna go and substitute that into our equation. I'm going to substitute that into our equation here. Now let's have a look. So it means therefore Tn is equals to 3,000 n plus C. Now in order for us to find C, we need to substitute one of these values here. So now remember, guys, where does the common difference start? The common difference starts after the first month. So therefore it means, this is very, very crucial, it means our first term will therefore have to be 4,000. It will be T1, this one will be T2, this one will be 3. We just have to remember that at the end we need to add this the first month. So therefore it means T1 is going to be 4,000, 3,000 times 1 is going to be plus C there. You take 3,000 to that side, so it's going to be 4,000 minus 3,000. C is equals to what? 1000. So therefore it means therefore our formula now will have to be equals to Tn is equals to 3000 n plus 1000. Right, so that's our formula for n month where Jimmy has to generate the amount of money. So 2.3 says here, how long will it take for Jamie to break even, to take his initial investment back? His initial investment is what? Is 1000. Okay, no, his initial investment, how long will it take for him to break even? So what do they mean by that? They mean that how long will it take for him to have this money of 250,000, right? How long would it take for him to reach that amount, to have all his money back? Remember, they said he bought a small business with 250. So how long will it take for him to have this 250 back? Okay, so now it means now our Tn will have to be equals to 250, and then we need to find n. Right, so therefore it's going to be 250, 250, 1, 2, 3, it's equal to, and then therefore it's going to be 3000 n plus 1000. All right, so now it means we're looking for n. Take 1000 to the other side, is going to be 250, 1, 2, 3 minus 1000, it's equals to 3000 n. All right, therefore you divide everything by 3000. Then we put this into our calculator here. So n is going to be equal to how much? N is going to be equals to 83. Right, if you punch that into your calculator, we're going to get 83, because here 3000 and 3000 goes out. We are left with 83 here. So but however, guys, remember when we found this formula here, our nth term, when we said T, and to enter to find C. So now we need to add back this C, which is our the initial amount you put it in the bank for 1 month. So because this is what, this is going to be 83 months plus 1 month where you only got 1000. So it's going to be, therefore the total is going to take 84 months for him to get his money back. Okay, so it's going to take 84 months. I hope you guys can see there. Let me just make it clear for you. It's gonna need 84 months. All right, so therefore that's how you would deal with this one, guys. I hope you understand. We need to add that 1 month where there was 1000 in the bank before he started gaining 3000 each and every month. So 2.4, it says here that how many months from the date of the purchase will it take for Jamie to make a profit of 30,000? Okay, so now it means initially, remember initially he did what? 250. So if he makes a profit of 30,000, you need to add this profit here, because remember here the question was to break even. So it means now he's making a profit, he's no longer breaking even. So it means now he's making 280,000 with an extra profit. Okay, so now they said how many months will it for him to make the 30,000? So it means now you are saying how long will it take for him to get his money back with an extra 3,000? Okay, so it means now we need to remove the money that with an extra 30,000, rather we need to remove the 250 and check how long did it take. So therefore it means Tn will have to be equal to that. So therefore we're going to say, okay, 280,000 is equals to 3,000 n plus 1000. So we take the 1000 that side, is going to be equals to 280, 123 minus 1000, 123 is equals to 3000 n. Okay, divided everything by 3000, divide everything by 3000, therefore cancel out, therefore n is going to be equal to, let's check here, let me just go to my calculator quickly. N is going to be equals to how much? N is going to be equal to I think it was 94, isn't it? Let me see. And it's equal to how much? n is equals to 93, but however, don't forget that other extra month where there was a 1000 plus extra month of 1000 is therefore going to give us 94 months. So therefore, how long did it take for him to have 280,000? It took 94 months. So therefore, to break even, it was 84. Therefore, it means our answer in this case will have to be 95 minus the month of breaking even, which gives us 10 months. So it means it will take 10 months for him to have an extra 30,000 of profit. So I really hope you guys understand this question. Very nice question indeed when it comes to using words, and also for us to analyze it as a number pattern question. If you have got any question, leave them on the comment section below. But for now, I am Gaston Mapala. Let me see you on the next one, or click on the link here above to go to the playlist, and let's go together to question 3.